Dear me. Hey, you. Yeah, you. The dude whose favorite line is, "I'll start tomorrow," while finishing up dessert at midnight. Yeah, you. Well, start is still in the same place it was yesterday. Locked up, can't move, on pause, stuck like a constipated turd in super glue. Yeah, I'll start is that stuck in you. But today you and your sweetie are done. Your sugar tooth, yeah, y'all are breaking up. It's over. This is a 2-week mandatory emergency separation being enacted here because this is not just a sugar habit, you are a sugar addict. And you're done. You're done kidding yourself that it's just a little sweet treat. You're done with all of this one more cookie silliness, all while your metabolism is quietly handing in its resignation letter. Yeah, one more nothing. Look, here's the deal. 2 weeks, no sugar. It means feeling better, yes, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. I'm talking serious shifting and changing here. Change you couldn't deny if you tried. Look, changes in mood will happen. Skin, insulin function, fat burning, and more. So consider this your pep talk, your wake-up call. This is your declaration of war against that sugary, sweet, sabotaging psychopath locked up inside you. I mean, it's like a squatter who has taken up residence in your body, holding your taste buds hostage at gunpoint. I mean, you've been storing sugar like it's a precious gem, but in reality, it's your body's kryptonite. Well, 2 weeks no sugar will stabilize your insulin levels and give your body a chance to shift from burning glucose, aka sugar, to burning fat for fuel. Yes, fat, that's right. The body you keep saying you'll deal with someday might start changing as long as you stop feeding it sugar and start feeding it discipline. And it's not just about weight loss, even though you'll finally have the guts to tuck your shirt in again. Or should I say, won't have the guts keeping you from tucking your shirt in, huh? Yeah. But look, your skin health will improve too. Sugar causes advanced glycation end products, AGEs for short, that damage collagen and elastin, making you look older and less firm. So, saying hasta la vista, baby, to the sugar can help skin clarity and resilience. Also, mood. You think your crankiness is just the way it is and how you are? But really, it's part of a sugar-driven blood sugar roller coaster. Sugar spikes, then a crash, and boom. Hello, mood swing. I mean, your mood be a swangin' like baby Tarzan got a new swing set for Christmas. But cutting sugar improves mood stability. Now, let's be honest, though. You're gonna struggle because you've got them 3 words tattooed on your brain and stuck on repeat. Just one more. Yeah. Just one more biscuit. Just one more candy bar. Just one more soda. Just one more kiss from Little Debbie. Yeah, like you've earned it. Right. Yeah, but you're actually earning something else. Your mind runs at 100 miles per hour. Your schedule is sloppy with 0 time management ability. None. The TV, it's still on at 10 p.m. And your phone is glowing like a mini sun in your hand at midnight. And you tell yourself you'll be disciplined tomorrow. Yeah. Tomorrow becomes next week becomes next month. Man, you need to quit it, man. Quit all that. Faith, that's your core. You believe there was a purpose for your life. You believe you are more than your cravings. You believe you were made for strength, not for being sugar's puppet. So you're doing this, not because you hate treats, but because you love the version of you that has clarity, energy, purpose. You love the you that doesn't slump, doesn't wake up with brain fog, doesn't feel like the couch has suction cups. So here are your new rules. No added sugar at all for 2 weeks. And that means no sneaky sugar either. Sodas, flavored coffee, sauces, those innocent granola bars. So that means read the food labels. All right? And when you crave, yes, not if, but when, because you will crave. When it happens, pause, drink some water, have a piece of fruit or a handful of nuts, and let your body know you are in charge. Notice how you feel each day. Track your mood, your skin, your sleep, your energy, because sugar also messes with your gut microbiome. Sugar is destroying the good bacteria in your gut. And if the food you eat is all out of whack as soon as it hits your gut for digestion, what? What, you think that junk's gonna magically break down and become healthy superfood afterward? No, it doesn't work like that. Sugar also causes inflammation. Yeah, and you feel it all the time. Arthritis, right? And you could definitely do without the arthritis. The inflammation will cease. All of this popping 2 or 3 ibuprofens 2 or 3 times a day, that needs to end. You need to give your liver a break from all of that. And listen, remind yourself this is about freedom, not deprivation. You're not giving up treats, you're giving your body peace. Lean on your faith. When the cravings hit, pray. Not because God hates sweets, but because you hate feeling out of control. You believe in discipline as a form of worship. You believe the temple of your body deserves the respect discipline feeds. Discipline, scripture speaks of. For the moment, all discipline seems painful rather than pleasant, but later it yields the peaceful fruit of righteousness to those who have been trained by it. Hebrews chapter 12, verse 11. And yes, you will probably feel some withdrawal, fatigue, moodiness. That's okay. Those early days are temporary, okay? Think of it like breaking up with a toxic ex. The first week is awkward. The second week, you start breathing again. And at 2 weeks, you're laughing at how you ever tolerated it. And when day 15 comes, you'll stand taller. As the sugar drops, your face will be less puffy, your mood steadier, your skin clearer, your body starting to relearn what good fuel feels like. Today, you're writing this to yourself as a promise. I will choose real food over the sugar trap. I will honor the body I was given by God. I will love the mind I am called to cultivate. This is your victory. Sugar does not have dominion. You do. So close the laptop, hide the candy, clean the pantry out a bit, set your eyes on the meaningful goal. A body, a mind, a spirit aligned. And tomorrow, you'll wake up saying, look at what God proposed and look at what I chose. Yeah. And you'll smile because you chose discipline, and discipline leads to freedom. Your mission starts now. 2 weeks, no sugar. A half month. The first 14 days are now the catalyst for the rest of them. Ready, set, go. Much love, me. Dear you, if you're listening to this, you've been or you are currently stuck in the sugar trap. And in this day and age, it's almost unavoidable. But this is a trap we can and a trap we will break free from together. So please, like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. and then we'll see what happens next. The end.